The next strategy is another subtraction strategy, and this is the one that's called add up. And I'm sure this is the one that caused the most confusion in class. Now please remember that Number Talks is about finding a strategy that works for you. And if you find this too difficult and you don't really get the concept of it, then use one of the subtraction strategies that best suits you. Okay, but I'm going to talk through this one anyway. Now, this one here is about finding the difference between your two numbers. Okay, it's not about starting at 123 and counting back 68 and then landing at where your answer would be. This is about starting at 68 and counting up to 123, and then the jumps is your answer. Okay, so let's do an example. So if we go with 173, take away 125. Okay, now looking at this calculation, you don't want to start at 123 and count back 125 jumps. Okay, so what we can do is we can start at 125 and count up to 173 and find out what the difference is between these two numbers, and that will give you your answer. Okay, so again, as always for your number line, get to a number that's going to make it easier for you to count on from, so for your next 10. So let's go with 25, 125 add 5, sorry, would take you to 130. Okay, now from here, 130, you could do a jump up to 170, or if it's easier, you could jump up in tens. Again, it's breaking it down into whatever is easiest for you. So I'm going to do a big jump. I think we'll take it to 150. Again, that's a nice, easy number to count on from. So to get to 150, I would need to add on 20. Okay, and then I'm going to do another jump to 170. And that means I needed to add on another 20. And then all I've got to do now is add on my 3 to get to 173. Now your answer is going to be the jumps, so let's add up our jumps. So 20, 40, 45 plus 3 is 48. Okay, so 20 plus 20 plus 5 plus 3. That is all the jumps that we did. And if we add all that together, it's going to give us 48. So when we look at it, the difference between these two numbers is 48, and that is how the add up strategy works.